Psychiatry, a medical science which is mainly used to diagnose, treat and help mental disorders. This is total in a nutshell, psychiatry. Why did I choose this stream? This is a very difficult question to answer. So when basically I did my literature and journalism in my undergraduation, and when I was planning for my post-graduation, I had three things in mind. Personal management and industrial relation, community development and psychiatry. So before I wanted to finalize what stream I wanted to go ahead with, I checked with the syllabus of the courses in the library. This made me more curious, knowing about people, treating, finding the problems. This interested me. So probably this was something, I could apply and learn new things everywhere. Whereas when it was management and other sciences, it was theories and applications. Every individual was different. Your every case is different. So this attracted me more. Challenges. Though my main education was medical psychiatry, I started my career with iBanking, enucleation excision training from Cairo and iBank Association of India, Hyderabad. When you ask life-changing experiences, I would like to mention one thing. There was this hospital where we had our iBank, and this Jain gentleman, all the Jains generally donate their eyes. So this Jain gentleman was a friend of mine who supplied the optical necessities for us. I met him that fine day morning, requested him for a good sunglasses for myself, and then he is all ready to help. The same day evening, we get a call from the government mortuary that there's a dead body and we had to enucleate the eyes. Once I went there, I wanted the cadaver out because we needed lighting. I saw this gentleman from the mortuary holding the toe of the body, the dead body, and dragging it along a cement floor, which itself was chilling. You just get worried as a basic human. Then basic human nature is like, nahi usko lag jayegi. So he's dragging that. And he just throws the body in front of me, and it is the same Mr. Jain. That was the shock of my life. The man I met 5 hours before, whom we call Bhaiya, because there were very few Hindi speaking people in Chennai then. So he had a special attachment, कि she speaks Hindi. And then you see him, the chill is up. I refused to enucleate, and my team of doctors did. This changed many things in life, not a single thing, the greed, probably that is when I stopped planning too much into the future and concentrated on the present, the moment. I learned to live for the moment. This was one incident that changed my life and the way I look at life. Having worked with the corporates, earning really well, feeling comfortable, pick up, drop AC cabins, and from there, coming out of the whole system, and I decided to work with a group of people, rape victims and their children, counseling them into confidence, giving them a sense of self-esteem, getting them into mainstream life and mainstream schooling for the children. Today we deal with almost 32 to 33 children, out of which all of them are going to school, 3 of them doing their nursing, 2 boys finished engineering. When I mean rape victims, there were boys also. So this I consider my I don't know, accomplishment, or this is very special part of my life and I'm very satisfied with this. So probably satisfaction is accomplishment.